Hi, this is Mohammed Al-Mazid. I am a college student and I have a great need for a reliable and helpful word processing program. I did my usability test comparing and contrasting Google Doc and Microsoft Word. Today, I want to show you something that I have found in Microsoft Word that an easy to use and really beneficial feature. However, I do have a recommendation to improve it. I know every paper submitted to a course requires citation, and I found in Microsoft Word the ability to keep an index of citation and a way to interest them quickly into a document. First, I will go up here to the ribbon and click on the reference tab, and then I click interest citation. You can see this box pops up and there are fields I can fill out regarding my source. I will quickly go through and find out the source information. I will put in the other title of the web page and then all the other information. Next, I will click OK and the box disappears. Now I have several options. I can click Insert Citation and the program will automatically insert the text citation to the document and the proper formatting. I can also click Manage Sources where I can see my sources and the citation for each of the sources. I can use a certain list of sources which are the ones I can put into my document. And I can move those sources here to my master list where I can keep any sources I may want to use but don't want include on a work cited of bibliographic page. I can also change the format of the type of citations I need, including MLA, which I am using to demonstrate. Finally, I can insert a whole bibliology page into my document, and all the sources are already formatted for me in the program. This feature is really beneficial, but it has a huge flaw. When I put in the web page title, it formats as the website. This is the 7th edition of Microsoft Word, so it is not updated to reflect the change made in MLA 8th edition, but even the 7th edition put the title of the web page in quotation mark and the website would be italicized, but you can see here that the web page is actually italicized in the quotation. See here that the web page is actually italicized in the quotation. I believe this should have been programmed to correctly reflect the MLA quotation guide. Because it is a pretty big flaw in the citation format, I hope my screencast helped to show you a tool that is beneficial but also needs some updated. Thank you very much.